Daily English Conversations. Today's topic, picking up a package at the post office. Listen carefully and practice speaking along.
Hey, did you get a chance to pick up that package?
Not yet, I'm planning to go to the post office today.
Oh, okay. Do you know what time they close?
I think they close at 5 p.m. I better hurry.
Yeah, you should. Did you get a notification?
Yes, I got a card in the mail yesterday.
Don't forget to take it with you.
Thanks, I almost forgot. And my ID too.
Good thinking. It's always better to be safe.
Exactly. I hope there's no long queue today.
Me too. Post offices are usually busy.
I know, right? Wish me luck.
Good luck. Let me know how it goes.
Will do. What did you want from it, anyway?
Nothing, I was just curious if you got it.
Ah, okay. Well, I'm off to the post office now.
All right, have a good one. See you later.
You too. Fingers crossed it is quick.
Keep me updated.
Definitely will.
Great, talk soon.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Practice this conversation today. See you in the next video.